Hello everybody, this is Priyamadha Azad from Enlightened with Divine Guidance. So our next speaker card reading, here we go. So I have posted choose from goal, as far as I remember, goal, faith and love magic, right? So when I asked for goal, I have received from this Saints and Angels deck, vision, and also I heard about the dreams that you should be be very strict with it. I'll go further, I'll elaborate more. So for faith I received this card, believe, and love magic I've got two cards. I picked this card intentionally for sure, but this one popped out along with this card. Okay, so here we go with your reading. The first is about the vision. Get to know your fears. Okay, this is how I see this. Get to know your fears because they are your greatest teachers and can help you move forward with success. Fear allows us to see exactly where we feel blocked or limited, and as we become self-aware of these fears, we are able to find ways to see past them and into solution and answers, right? So what are you afraid of right now in your life, big or small? Your fear has something to teach you. Take a moment to show up for your success right now by being honest and open to your truth. uh, make your first step towards change happen by knowing what you want. Okay, if you do not know exactly what you want, that's okay. Just get an idea for your desires and dreams and let that help you to know yourself better first. Okay, make a plan that you can stick to. Again, it's remember, it helps to know yourself and your goals. Above all, you are going to have to take action when it comes to your success. Nothing gets done unless you are doing it, right? Take the initiative. So let's go with the belief. Like those who have chosen faith, this is for you. See, what is meant to be will always flow into your life, right? Even challenges come forward to help us grow, you know. The universe is always working with us for our highest good, and as we surrender to this flow, we become more aware of what we need to do and where we need to go with our current situation. And having this faith can be hard at times. I know it is not easy to trust that everything will work out, and yes, sometimes it does not work out how you want, right? But it does work out how it needs to. This is how the faith, your belief system works, that yes, this will work out. You can look back on many moments and say, yes, now I see why it happened like this, and the dots all become connected, right? So trust that your dots are being connected right now, and the bigger picture will unfold in divine time, right? Take note of your desire, goals and intentions, and review your motives to see if you are being stuck in the mud to see your new opportunities or path. Keep an open mind and heart when it comes to life. The more willing you are to accept, allow and adjust, you are the greater your ability to be a magician in your life. Believe in the miracles. Believe. If I keep on telling, believe in the miracles, for you are one, and that, my friend, is the most incredible self realization you could have. Trust me. Empower your faith and connection to the universe, as this will help you transform from the inside and out. Okay, hope you got this. So let's go with your just a moment. Okay, there are two cards which we have got today. And love, what I understand is love is all about taking care of ourselves, like a little self care, self help goes a long way, and the universe responds promptly to this vibration. So use it more than anything else. Like healthy boundaries allow you to set standard what you allow into your life. right? It is important to give yourself the permission to respect yourself, your emotions, health and wellness. This card also I got, helpful eating. Okay, be more aware of what you are consuming, right? Consider your role to your life, and how past patterns and habits have shaped you. Okay, resolve to change these patterns and habits with self love, self worth, and a huge dose of respect. This is what I posted in the morning, if you remember, on my page, Priyambada Azad, Enlightened with Divine Guidance 1111. I respect and value myself. This already came in the morning for all of us. So make self care a priority, be assertive, stand in your power, learn to empower, tune into your feelings and get acquainted with your values once again. Even, taking a look at your own mistakes can make room for transformations. Guys, be direct and clear with what you accept and allow into your life. It is always important to look at your own choices and decisions and take responsibility for them. Okay, hope this is very clear to you guys. I truly have enjoyed your reading today. So your angels are always there. Anything you just want from them, ask, just ask, and things are working out for our highest good. Always remember, we are safe and we are doing amazingly wonderful. Stick to your vision, your dreams, your goals. Believe they are working out. Love yourself, respect yourself, value yourself. Life is amazingly beautiful, trust me, and you are the miracle, right? So thank you so much for watching. I will be back with more readings really soon. Till then, please take care. Lots of divine love and blessings. Bye bye.